Hello everyone, I am Vekutolu, Assistant Professor from the Department of MLT, some Downtown University. Today I'll be talking on a rapid card test of HbSAg. So let us see what is HbSAg test. So this is a blood test in order to determine if someone is infected with the hepatitis B virus. So the main principle of this rapid card test is it is a qualitative test in a solid phase with two-side sandwich immunoassay for the detection of HbSAg in serum or plasma. So the membrane is pre-coated with anti-HbSAg antibodies on the test line region of the device. So during testing, the sample or the serum or the plasma specimen, they reacts with the anti-HbSAg antibodies conjugated particles, and then the mixture migrate upwards on the membrane chromatographically by capillary action to react with the anti-HbSAg antibodies on the membrane and generate a color line. And also the presence of color line in the test region indicates a positive result, while its absence indicates a negative result. On the other hand, a color line will always appear in the control line region, indicating that proper volume of specimen has been added and membrane weakening has occurred. So here we will require the HbSAg kit and the serum. So the serum should always be used as the choice of specimen, and then if the serum is hemolyzed, it should be rejected. So today I'll be explaining on the rapid card test. Here, firstly, bring the reagent to the room temperature before performing the test, so that it equilibrates to the room temperature prior to the testing. Now, next step is you have to remove the test device from the seal pouch as soon as possible, and once you open the device from the seal pouch, you have to perform the test immediately so that you do not get a false positive result. Now you have to hold the dropper vertically and transfer 3 drops of serum or plasma to the specimen well of the test device, and start the timer immediately. Now you have to wait for the color line to obtain, and then the result should be read after 15 minutes. The result should not be read after 15 minutes because again it might give some false positive result. Now here in the interpretation, if the first one, the negative one, here in one color line appear in the control, and there is no apparent color line appearing in the test region, so it is interpreted as a negative result. Whereas in the second one, here two distinct colored lines appear, first one in the control region and the other one in the test region, which means that the result is positive. Now in sometimes what happens is that even in the control line it fails to appear, and in the test region as well. This is because of the insufficient specimen or some wrong procedure. So in this case, the test should be repeated with a fresh sample and also with the new test device. Now again, the intensity of the color in the test line region will vary depending on the concentration of HbSAg present in the specimen. Therefore, any shades of color in the test region should be considered as a positive result. So this is all about the HbSAg rapid test.